Do you know that our universe is kind of swallowing the other universes? In fact, at one point, our universe was being swallowed by other parent universe. Yes, this outlandish thing can be true. A group of scientists in Copenhagen University have proposed this. Our beloved universe is around 14 billion years old, 13.8 billion years old to be exact. But how do scientists know that it is really 13.8 billion years old only, not 15, not 20, not 10? How do they know? Now, scientists have got something called as a cosmological model. Now, this cosmological model relies on Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity and assumes that universe has been constantly expanding right after its birth. One of the things in cosmological model is called as dark energy. So universe is made of three main components. First, the normal matter that you and I can see, feel, perceive. Our instruments are made to measure this, the normal matter. So normal matter would comprise of everything that you see. All the stars, sun, planet, you, I, everything comes under normal matter. Next thing is dark matter. Now, dark matter is basically the gravity pull. Our galaxy, Milky Way, is pretty big. It is so big that scientists have calculated that the stars which are at the circumference of Milky Way should not stick with Milky Way. It should, disperse, but it does. And they have theorized that it is because of something called as dark matter. Dark matter basically adds to the gravity so that things stay intact. When I say things, I mean big things like galaxies. And then lastly is something called as dark energy. Dark energy is why the universe is expanding. So normal matter is just 5%, and dark matter is about 28%, and rest is dark energy. But could it be that dark energy does not exist? Scientists use this cosmological model plus some heavy mathematics to determine the age of the universe and also the expansion rate. Now, could it be that it's not that complex? Our universe is being expanding, and the reason could be a lot more intuitive. Like, how does a thing become bigger if you add more stuff in it? So it could be that our universe kind of collides with the parallel universe and it swallows the parallel universe. Now, as per scientists in Copenhagen, exactly this is happening. In fact, right after the birth of our universe, after the Big Bang, when our universe expanded exponentially, in fact, in a trillionth of a second, it was from a dot as big as the solar system. As per scientists in Copenhagen, well, at that time, our universe was swallowed by a parent universe and we became part of the parent universe. And since then, it is basically colliding with other parallel universes. And most of the time, our universe is consuming those smaller universes and becoming big. Would it be the reason instead of cosmological model? If this is the reason, then just think about its implications. This other universe could be, in other dimension, something as mysterious as dark matter or dark energy. Who knows? But if this theory is correct, then would explain why the universe expanded exponentially after the Big Bang, and when it cooled down, it continued to expand but at a constant rate. Now, one important thing about this expansion rate is, this rate itself is a conundrum. It is yet to be solved. The Hubble telescope was sent not to take pictures of stars. The primary role of Hubble telescope was to get this rate of expansion, the firm rate of expansion. I have made a video on this and that I'll put in description and somewhere here. That's about it for this video. Scientists do come with this absurd, outlandish theory. For example, when Newton came with gravity, people thought it to be absurd. And same happened with Einstein when he came with, but we'll have to see if really our universe is a monster and it is swallowing other universes. Thanks for staying with me. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please put your valuable comment in the comment section. And I'll see you next time around. Bye bye.